Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your language setting on NBA Live mobile basketball application. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open the app on your mobile device and then from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you will be able to find language setting option. Tap on edit right next to language. Now, you can go ahead and choose from the multiple options of languages available. Tap on the language of your preference and tap the select button right next to it. Click on the continue button and then you will be able to change your language setting on the game. The game will then restart with the new language that you've selected. You can always go back to the same option and then choose the language of your preferences again and again. So that's how you can easily change your language setting in NBA Live mobile basketball game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.